How to use the loose bead device. Firstly, we need to add the beads into the beads device. Add a proper amount of beads into the beads device, and then we come to the computer operation. Firstly, we turn on the machine. And then we choose the right frame for beads embroidery. After you choose the frame, the machine frame will move automatically like this. And then exit this page and come to the first step. Choose the beads design and then make the machine into working condition. See whether you need to change the direction of the design, and then choose color. The beads device assembled on the 12 needle of the machine, so here we choose 12 color. And then we come to the fourth step. Adjust the frame position to make the beads design embroidered on the proper position you want. After adjust the position, exit this page, and then you can press start button and the machine will work automatically. The beads device is automatically, so once you put the beads into the beads device, you don't need to do any more. After the machine finish this beads design, it will stop automatically. And then we get a beautiful beads design.